Hi, boys and girls. This week we're going to go over the letter of the week with Coach Reed.
Hello, boys and girls. How y'all doing? The letter of the week will be D as in dog, and D as in dog. The dog, the dog. Dog and dog. Now you come up with some words that start with the letter D. You have uppercase D and the lowercase d. Dog and dog. Did anybody come up with some words? All right. We're going to do distance. Distance. Like we all doing this these days, a social distance. Dist, D-I-S, tunc, T-A-N-C, social distance. And in the gym, we practice social distance by being in our personal space. Social distance.
All right, boys and girls. That was the letter of the week with Coach Reed. Bye, boys and girls. Say bye to Coach.
Bye. Be safe.